Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your crypto wallet and discovering that everything is gone $25,000. Gone. Your savings, gone. Your investment, gone. And the worst part? You didn't get hacked. You weren't robbed at gunpoint. You clicked a link, trusted a person, approved a transaction, or believed a promise. That's the terrifying thing about crypto scams. They don't always look like criminals. Sometimes they look like successful investors. Sometimes they look like celebrities. Sometimes they look like your best friend. And sometimes they look like the opportunity you've been waiting for your entire life. Today, we're going through some of the biggest and most dangerous crypto scams in history, including OneCoin, BitConnect, Plus Token, FTX, fake giveaways, rug pulls, phishing attacks, romance scams, fake exchanges, and wallet-draining schemes. More importantly, we're going to understand exactly how these scams work and how to spot them before your money disappears. Here's the first reality check. Scammers don't need you to be stupid. They need you to be emotional. They target greed with promises of massive profits. They target fear with messages like, "Your account is compromised." They target curiosity with secret investment opportunities. They target loneliness through romance. And they target FOMO with, "Buy now before it's too late." The technology changes, but human psychology doesn't. The U.S. Federal Trade Commission has repeatedly warned that crypto scams often involve fake investment platforms, guaranteed return promises, impersonation, romance scams, and requests for cryptocurrency payments. In one FTC data spotlight, more than 46,000 people reported losing over $1 billion in crypto to scams since the beginning of 2021. Let's start with one of the most infamous names in crypto history, OneCoin. Founded by Ruja Ignatova, OneCoin presented itself as a revolutionary cryptocurrency that could compete with Bitcoin. It spread through a huge multi-level marketing network. People attended conferences, bought educational packages, recruited others, and were told they were participating in the next financial revolution. But there was a massive problem. OneCoin wasn't operating like the decentralized cryptocurrency its marketing suggested. Authorities later pursued the project as a massive fraud, and Ignatova disappeared in 2017 after being charged by U.S. authorities. The story became so bizarre that she earned the nickname Crypto Queen. The lesson isn't simply don't trust cryptocurrencies. The lesson is much more important. Understand the technology behind what you're buying. If someone claims they have a revolutionary blockchain, ask where the blockchain is, how it works, who can verify it, and whether the claims can be independently checked. Now let's talk about BitConnect, one of the most famous crypto schemes of the 2017 era. BitConnect promoted a lending program and claimed its trading technology could generate extraordinary returns. The marketing became legendary. You may have seen the famous viral video of Carlos Matos screaming, "BitConnect," at an event. At the time, people were celebrating enormous gains, but the system eventually collapsed, and investors were left with massive losses. The important lesson is the psychology. When everyone around you is apparently getting rich, skepticism feels stupid. You start thinking, why am I the only one not doing it? That's exactly when you need skepticism the most. A legitimate investment doesn't become legitimate because thousands of people are screaming about it. Plus Token became one of the largest crypto-related fraud cases of its era. It presented itself as a cryptocurrency wallet and investment opportunity and attracted huge numbers of users, particularly across Asia. Users were encouraged to deposit cryptocurrencies and were promised rewards for holding funds and recruiting others. Eventually, the operation collapsed and users found themselves unable to withdraw their assets. The case became a major reminder that simply seeing a growing balance on an app doesn't mean you actually control the underlying money. And that brings us to one of the most important rules in crypto. If you don't control the keys and can't independently verify what is happening, don't automatically assume the number on your screen represents money you can safely withdraw. Now we need to make an important distinction. FTX was not simply a random internet scam. It was a major centralized crypto exchange whose collapse in November 2022 became one of the biggest disasters in crypto history. The company had enormous visibility, major investors, celebrity endorsements, and a reputation as one of the industry's leading exchanges. Then confidence disappeared. Customers rushed to withdraw funds. The company couldn't meet those demands. The collapse exposed severe problems involving customer funds and affiliated businesses, and Sam Bankman-Fried was later convicted in the United States on fraud and conspiracy charges and sentenced to prison. The lesson here is different from a fake meme coin. A large company, famous founder, huge valuation, and massive marketing budget are not substitutes for transparency, controls, and proper custody. Don't confuse popularity with safety. Now, we enter the wild world of rug pulls. Imagine a new token launches. The website looks incredible. The Telegram group is exploding. Influencers are promoting it. The price starts pumping. You buy, more people buy. The developers appear to be building the next billion-dollar ecosystem. Then suddenly, liquidity disappears, the team disappears, or insiders dump their holdings. The price collapses. Investors are left holding tokens nobody wants. But here's an important myth. Not every token that crashes 90% is automatically a rug pull. Markets can collapse naturally. A rug pull involves deceptive or abusive behavior by people behind a project. That's why you need to investigate token ownership, liquidity, smart contract permissions, team transparency, and whether the project has genuine activity. Who doesn't like free crypto? That's exactly why scammers love airdrops. You receive a message saying you've won free tokens, you click a website, you connect your wallet, then the website asks you to approve something. You click without reading, and suddenly your assets can be transferred away. The important detail is that the scam doesn't necessarily need your seed phrase. A malicious approval or transaction can sometimes give a contract permission to interact with your assets. That's why you should never connect your wallet to random websites simply because they promise free money. This scam is almost laughably simple, and yet it works. A fake account impersonates a celebrity, company, or crypto founder. A live stream plays. A convincing message appears. We're giving back to the community. Send 1 Bitcoin and we'll send 2 back. You send the Bitcoin and then absolutely nothing. The FTC specifically warns about scammers impersonating celebrities and promising to multiply whatever cryptocurrency victims send them. Here's the golden rule. If someone says you must send crypto first to receive more crypto back, walk away. Now we get to one of the most dangerous scams because you might not even realize you've made a mistake. Phishing. A scammer creates a fake exchange, wallet, bridge, or DeFi website that looks almost identical to the real one. You enter your login details, or connect your wallet, or sign a transaction. The scammer gets what they need. Researchers studying cryptocurrency scams have identified large numbers of fake exchange domains and fake apps, including websites using typo-squatting, slightly altered spellings designed to fool users. Before connecting a wallet, don't trust a random Google result, advertisement, or DM. Verify the official website through a trusted source. This may be the most important rule in the entire video. Never give your seed phrase to someone asking for it online. Your recovery phrase is not a password you casually share with customer support. It can provide control over your wallet. Scammers may pretend to be wallet support, exchange employees, moderators, or security experts. They may say, "Your account is compromised. Send us your recovery phrase so we can restore it." Stop. Close the chat. Your recovery phrase is the key to your funds. If someone asks for it, assume they're trying to take control of your wallet. Here's another classic. You post a problem publicly. Within seconds, someone appears claiming to be customer support. They have the company's logo. They have thousands of followers. Their username looks legitimate. They send you a private message and say, "Don't worry, I'll fix your wallet." Then they request your seed phrase, password, remote access, or a payment. The FTC warns that scammers frequently impersonate businesses and other trusted entities. The safest approach is simple. You contact official support through the verified company's official channels. Don't let strangers contact you first and convince you they're support. This scam is especially cruel because it doesn't start with money. It starts with trust. You meet someone online. You talk every day. They seem successful, intelligent, and caring. Eventually, they introduce you to crypto investing. They show you a website where their account appears to make huge profits. You deposit a small amount and maybe even manage to withdraw a little money. Now you trust the system, you deposit more, then you try to withdraw a larger amount. Suddenly there's a tax, then a verification fee, then another fee. The FTC specifically warns that online dating relationships combined with crypto investment advice are a major scam warning sign. If someone you met online asks you to send crypto or invest through their platform, stop. This is one of the most psychologically powerful scams because the website can look completely real. Your dashboard says you made money. Your balance keeps increasing. Maybe someone even helps you trade. But when you try to withdraw, the company demands another payment. Pay a tax. Pay a release fee. Pay a blockchain verification charge. You pay, and then they ask for another fee. The FTC and CFTC have warned about fake digital asset trading websites that show attractive returns and then prevent victims from withdrawing their funds. Here's the trick. A number displayed on a website is not proof that your money actually exists. A Telegram group says, "Buy now." Thousands of people buy. The chart shoots upward. A few wallets sell huge amounts. The chart collapses. Voiceover. Then there's the classic pump and dump. A group promotes a tiny cryptocurrency and creates excitement around it. Everyone is told to buy at the same time. The price shoots upward. New investors see the green candle and think, "This is going to the moon." But insiders or early buyers may already be preparing to sell. Once they dump their tokens, the price crashes. Late buyers become exit liquidity. The funny part, the people shouting "hold" may be the exact people selling. When someone tells you a coin is guaranteed to explode because a private group has a secret signal, be extremely careful. Another popular scam is fake mining, fake cloud mining, and fake trading bots. The pitch is usually simple. Give us your money and our technology will generate guaranteed returns. But real markets don't work like that. Mining has costs, trading has risk, bots lose trades, markets change. The SEC and CFTC have warned about digital asset websites promising extremely high guaranteed returns with little or no risk. If someone has genuinely discovered a machine that makes guaranteed money every day, ask yourself, why are they begging strangers on Telegram for $500 and scams are evolving? Artificial intelligence can make fake videos, fake voices, and fake websites more convincing. Scammers can impersonate companies, influencers, and even people you know. Some schemes start through WhatsApp or unexpected messages and slowly move victims toward crypto payments or fake investment platforms. Recent warnings have also highlighted scammers exploiting regulatory changes and impersonating legitimate crypto companies or financial authorities. So don't assume a video proves someone said something. Don't assume a logo proves a website is real. And don't assume a professional-looking app means your money is safe. If you remember nothing else from this video, remember these 5 red flags. Number 1, guaranteed profits. Number 2, pressure to act immediately. Number 3, secret investment opportunities that nobody else knows about. Number 4, someone asking you to send cryptocurrency first. Number 5, anyone asking for your recovery phrase or private keys. The FTC's guidance is brutally simple. Guaranteed profits and zero-risk promises are classic scam signals. When someone combines several of these signals, don't think harder about investing. Think harder about leaving. Here's a rule you can use immediately. When you see an exciting opportunity, don't click immediately. Pause, search the company name, search the token name, search the website, search for complaints, check the official social accounts, verify the domain, check who controls the contract, check the tokenomics, and if someone is rushing you, slow down even more. The FTC recommends researching the company and cryptocurrency name alongside words such as review, scam, or complaint. Here's the biggest myth: crypto itself is a scam. That's not accurate. Bitcoin is technology. Ethereum is technology. Blockchains are technology. Scammers simply use these technologies as tools, the same way scammers can use banks, websites, email, social media, or phone calls. They can use cryptocurrency. The real problem isn't whether something uses blockchain. The real question is, who are you trusting? What are they promising? And where exactly is your money going? Remember Bilal, the guy from the beginning who thought every crypto opportunity was his ticket to financial freedom? This time, he sees a message promising a guaranteed 10x. His first instinct is to click, but he stops. He checks the website. He searches the team. He looks at the token. He finds complaints. Then he checks the wallet address. Something doesn't add up. So Bilal does something that feels incredibly boring in the moment. He does nothing. And sometimes doing nothing is the smartest financial decision you can make. If you think you've been scammed, don't send more money simply because someone promises they can recover your funds. That's where recovery scams come in. The first scammer steals your money. Then another person contacts you, claiming they can recover it for an upfront fee. Now you're being targeted twice. Save transaction hashes, wallet addresses, screenshots, messages, and website information. Contact the legitimate exchange or wallet provider through official channels if relevant, and report the fraud to the appropriate authorities in your country. Be careful about anyone who guarantees they can recover crypto for a fee. Before sending money, ask yourself, who am I sending it to? Can I verify them independently? What exactly am I buying? Can I withdraw? Is the platform legitimate? Are the returns realistic? Am I being rushed? Did I find this person myself, or did they contact me first? Am I being asked for a seed phrase? Am I being asked to send crypto before receiving something? If you can't answer these questions confidently, don't send the money. Your next opportunity can wait. Your money deserves more than a 5-minute decision. Look at every scam we've discussed. OneCoin used credibility and mass recruitment. BitConnect used extraordinary returns and hype. Plus Token used the appearance of a legitimate investment ecosystem. FTX showed how size and reputation don't eliminate risk. Rug pulls exploit excitement. Phishing exploits mistakes. Romance scams exploit trust. Fake exchanges exploit appearances. Recovery scams exploit desperation. Different stories, different technologies, same weakness, trust without verification. That's the real vulnerability scammers are looking for. Crypto can create incredible opportunities, but the same technology that lets you control your own assets also means you have to take responsibility for protecting them. Don't let greed make decisions for you. Don't let fear make decisions for you. And definitely don't let a stranger on Telegram make decisions for you. Remember, guaranteed profits are a red flag, urgency is a red flag, unsolicited investment advice is a red flag, and anyone asking for your recovery phrase is a giant red flag. The smartest crypto investor isn't the person who finds every 100x coin, it's the person who knows when to walk away. If this video helped you understand the biggest crypto scams, like, subscribe, and join Blockwise for more deep dives into crypto, Web3, blockchain, finance, and the technology shaping the future. And here's the question. What's the biggest crypto scam or scam tactic you've ever seen, and what made it look convincing?